Welcome to Mel's Garage. It really is a garage, believe it or not. Some of our antenna farm, which isn't much. 69 Yanko Camaro 427 L88. I live right on the highway. Hey! Hey, how you doing? That's Rod from RJC Auto Transport. That's my webmaster, Rod. And this is Mel's Garage. Yeah, oh yeah, he's a webmaster. And I'm your host, Mel. Gotta love it. All right, back to reality. This is Mel's Garage. I operate a video game and a jukebox company. So I'm mixed amongst some of the radios here. Tram, Titan, Yaesu, which one is this one? This is the 101EX. And a Ranger. This is one of my oldest Rangers. Had this Ranger about 20 years. Some DAC radios. DAC 9s and DAC 10s. 301 Yaesu, a couple of Motorola UHF repeaters, MSFs. See if I can get a picture of the front of this radio here. DACs look nice. Oh well, I'll go from another time. Some more jukebox gear. Some other stuff. Yeah, we're trying lunch boxes. Vocaline, the very first CB radios. And some Motorola 220 gear. And Yanko, some Mitrex, Motrax, Mocoms. Ah, please, a little bit of everything. Our tune-up area, computer, tuning area. It's a little cold here, so we got stuff stuffed on top of stuff. Haven't had room really to do anything with the rest of it. And now we'll head to the upstairs. Well, here's some of the repeaters. My UHF repeater. Another UHF repeater. Yeah, crap. Where's your repeater? Oh, wait a minute. You don't have one.
I got enough shit.
My Kenwood, a Dale Earnhardt radio. I do have radios. I have quite a few radios. Just a couple. It's insanity, yes. They're just jealous, that's all.
Insanity.com.
Yeah, there you go. Coming upstairs here in Mel's Garage. Window dressing. Most people have curtains. I have microphones. And actually, they're all brand new. The radar unit here, part of my radar system here, that you'll see more of.
I have one other. The vehicle was parked on fire property. So I was advised. This is by the owner of the property.
More stuff. Plenty more. Printer, microphones. Oh my God, it's just too much. It's out of control. It's out of control. Oh yeah, the sign from the Bada Bing. When they were filming, we absconded with the sign. My best friend owns the bar. Now we're in the control room. melsgarage.com. $29.50. The Radio Shack scanner, 780, 796s, 996. All these are hooked up remote through the computers. Here's my 897 Yaesu, remotely accessible and operating. My 220 repeater. And here is the only CB radio hooked up to Echolink. And actually I have two of them, one here and one in Miami Beach. This is hooked up to the Echolink, which they're not real happy about, most of the operators out there, but it's a very popular link. We use it quite a bit when we're in the mobile. We use the broadband card and transmit from there. More of my BIP dispatch center here. My CB radio monitors. Use 2 walkie-talkies. I know it all sounds great out there out in the world, but we use just some walkie-talkies for the monitors. Here's my radar unit I keep in the window, being that I live on a highway and keeps the traffic running slow. They come screaming by, and you hear them coming, and the radar comes on, and that gets them good. And actually, they're going pretty slow today. Speed limit's 50. Everybody's being good. We've had some big ones, though. 166 was the biggest, the stolen Corvette that drove by. Some more of the gear, and just the gangly old wires. A couple of Yaesu 6Rs, or what are they, 6Rs or 7s? Oh, VX6s, that's right. Jeez, I got so much gear I forget what I got anymore. My siren here to get their attention. And this is operating my New York City, my fire department in New York website here. Comes from that scanner. And the other scanner on the ceiling on the other side, which I had to separate them because they were making a little noise, operates the other channel, right and left channel. Well, thanks for coming by and visiting. Mel's Garage. And that's just about it for Mel's Garage, so bada bing. Bye-bye.